how to view cancellation policy before booking in Hilton Honors. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser. You need to go to the Hilton Honors page, and then you need to search for your destination, and then put in your check-in date, check-out dates, number of rooms, guests, and find the hotel. And then while you're scrolling through the hotels, you can tap on the eye icon, and then here you can see you can change or cancel up to 1 day before arrival, but Hilton Honors membership is required. So like this, you can see the cancellation policy in other hotels as well. To view more details, you can go to view hotel details, and then here you'll find other details as well. And then if you scroll down, you might find more about the cancellation policies. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.